All right, so you got this ring light because it's all the craze, right? You set it up and you're wondering, why doesn't it look as good as I thought it would? Ring lights are commonly known for as glamour lights. They are meant for up close to help remove any lines or shadows. However, they've become increasingly popular to the general public for video conference calls, influencer videos, and people just like you. Why? Because they're inexpensive and they usually come on a tripod that you can pop your phone right into the middle and voila, you're supposed to have the perfect light, right? Or is it perfect? Most consumer ring lights emit a pretty small amount of light in terms of filling up a room. So relying on it solely to achieve that studio look is not going to happen. I want to introduce you to the concept of a fill light. In studio production, we always use one of these to complement our primary light or our key light. That would be your ring light. But you don't necessarily need to go buy another light to do this. You can simply use natural light. If you're shooting in the daytime and have a window in your space, use it to your advantage. This will fill out everything else the ring light can't. So why is this important? Well, it will eliminate unwanted shadows and it will prevent you from looking like you're in an interrogation room. And as always, be sure that window is not behind you. Your ring light is simply not powerful enough to counter the light coming out from the back and you will look like a silhouette. I'm using studio lights right now, which is why I can have a window behind me. Make sure that window is either to the front of you or to the side of you. If it's not in the shot, it won't overpower your ring. If your window does get a lot of direct sunlight, that may still wash you out and overpower your shot. If that's the case, put up a sheer or like a light filtering curtain and just, close that up whenever you're shooting. One last thing, be mindful of the time of day you're shooting if you are using that natural light. The last thing you'd want to have is the perfect lighting and 1 hour later the sun is setting and your footage doesn't match. In summary, never rely solely on a ring light for video. Use a fill light and never shoot against a window. Look awesome and make that paper.
The course is here, my friends, and for a limited time. Enroll today to claim your spot for 30 minutes to quality video. Visit doitoncamera.com to sign up for the course and gain access to exclusive coaching offers with yours truly. doitoncamera.com. Are you ready?